You know, it's funny. It's funny. It's funny when you see shit and you just see it for what it is. It's funny. This little thing right here was in the video that I was watching earlier. Okay? From a soul sibling. Someone's mad because they want to play your character this lifetime. All right? Now, I put there and said what I said about motherfuckers, what I said. Now, when I was looking at that devil card, right? When I was looking at that devil card, and I told y'all about them red dresses, all this other stuff, and them witches and stuff like that. I'm not none of that shit. I'm just me. You know what I'm saying? I'm just that energy in this lifetime. Right? So I don't like titles and stuff like that. I don't like titles and stuff like that. These people have been using these titles and everything to separate the people and use these type of titles to enslave people, put other people over them that don't have no business there. All right. And so I was just looking at that devil card and I was thinking about that devil energy and how, again, I noticed that somebody was over here, right, trying to get close, right? Like the soulmate or whatever. But I can't, even though the people is not being honest with me, I can't stand it. I can't stand it. I can't stand it. And even though they not being honest with me, I see little shit that they doing. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get close enough to rub some old bullshit off on me. You know what I'm saying? And what I'm saying is, like, now I see who. I see clearly. Because I was looking at that devil card today, and when I was talking about that all eternal energy, okay? And like I said, I'm not giving out full names to motherfuckers no more because that's exactly what they want. So again, that whole energy of clout chasing when you are the fucking clout, it ain't never going to be that for me. You understand what I'm saying? Because the only person that need to see me for who I am is me. I would like for, again, whoever else would be a person that's going to be a companion of mine, rather that be lovers or whatever, it would be more to see that same energy like I see it in them. But at the same time, you ain't got to. Ain't nobody never got to see that shit but me. Right? So again, these people have features that's too close to mine. And again, this is this energy here. All right. So I'm sitting here looking at this thing and I seen this person's video or whatever. And I don't know, when I was looking at that devil card, that it was saying something about a palmist, right? When we were looking at the hands of the devil on that devil card. And I seen like the markings on that person's hand. And it was like, I don't know, like I said, I noticed that lately also I have been putting, like, when my daughter walks past the camera or whatever, I'll put my hand up to the screen. So I'm just like, it's just to the point where these motherfuckers want to read my damn palm without my permission. Like, what the hell? Okay. So I feel like, again, somebody know what the true destiny and the true fate is, somebody, the true whatever it is. Okay. And you know, this person was also caught talking about, like, whatever on your hand or whatever, there's the name of your soulmate or whatever is like etched, or the initials or whatever is etched into your finger. So I noticed that the person said that, and then now I noticed they got a palm hand reading thing on their desk in their video. All right. Now I don't even want to hear nothing they got to say. Not no more. This is, like I said before, this is a case of these people thinking they was going to put me under, and I had to realize what they was doing, flip the script, and put them where they trying to put me. All right. Talking about somebody else and, oh, they just need this and they just need that. But these are people that got wish lists on their fucking channel. These are people I done did thousands of videos, not even really getting that much, you know, again, support on my platform for that much growth. I'm not going to say the support ain't there because I feel like there's hidden support. Somebody just don't want me to know I got support. So that's why they mess with the algorithms on the channel and shit. All right. So at the end of the day, you know, this is these girls been playing around, these girls. All right, these girls that have been playing around in people's energy, using witchcraft and sorcery and stuff like this, and sitting in high positions. And now it's time for you to sit your motherfucking ass down. See, people be thinking I'm stupid just because I got to play the field by myself. Because I got to be in a situation by myself. I got to be alone. You see what I'm saying? Anybody I confide in or anybody that comes around me, they just want to take. They want to talk shit and take. Nobody is there to support. Nobody is there to, you know. Like I said, there's also, I feel like there's angels, ancestors, guides. But again, they kind of sit off at bay. I think that, again, because lately I feel like whoever this fake person is that been sitting in a position of power, using that authority to watch people, record people, you know, blackmail people and do all these things and feeling like they got the control or whatever, because they digging in your Akashic records. They digging in all your fucking information, all in your business. Want you, want your man, want your fucking children, want your life. They want every fucking thing. They just want to take. And they just mad because I can see them for who they are. And so I can also see what fake fucking crying is. All right. And then somebody be getting mad at me. It's like these masculines, or somebody be getting mad at me. It's like these people get mad at me because I got to say what the fuck it is. Stop playing with me then. So again, they talk about the flaming sword or whatever in the east of the garden. You know, it's like it's almost another damn trick. You know what I'm saying? Am I going to be the flaming sword? You know what I'm saying? That's about to start cutting these motherfuckers off? Or is it going to be them trying to put another flaming sword over here? And this flaming sword almost make me think about masculine energies, a phallus, all right? That might be infected with something, that somebody trying to put that motherfucker, bring it back over here or whatever. Just because I haven't gotten a whole 100% proof that what this person have been doing, I have to kind of like side eye this person and look. Just because I know that we're dealing with somebody that's possessing this person's energy, and it might not be dealing with their actual vassal and their actual person, I have to decipher what the fuck we're talking about here. Just because these females have had heads up and they have been exalted, these idols have been exalted and worshipped by these masculine energies, right? Leaving me with no protection or no sense. Because I guess, again, in order to be in that situation, right, you have to be able to use, you know, wands have to be able to visit your cup, period. Somebody was pissed off because that might not have been the case all the way. So what these girls decided they was going to do was make me have to take that road, by also sending in so-called demonic energies or other spirits into my sleep realm to attack me there, because they try to find out what's going on or whatever. Like I told you, since Source been here 2 years ago, everything legit over here. You know what I'm saying? So they couldn't find nothing. They couldn't find somebody doing something. They want somebody to tell on themselves, or they also want you to, these people have probably been cut off from being able to see. So it's about to hurt them more than the fucking hurt me. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like this is the energy of just like I said, corruption starting at the top. Powers that shouldn't be in the positions that they're in. They should not be. Trying to use this to force men. I ain't never, ever in my life had to force no man to come around me or come to me. Matter of fact, any dude that I ever mess with, you best believe that if I seen that motherfucker today. So don't even never go there with me. And it's not even about being cocky or nothing like that, because I leave off on a good note with people. I try not to, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to tear nobody down on my way out the door. That's just, I'm a fair and balanced person, but I expect not to be torn down, and I expect a motherfucker not to just play me either. I expect somebody to keep it real with me, just like I'm going to keep it real with you. At any point in time, any of these masculines can come to me directly and let me know that they ain't feeling it, and they go, I don't want to hear from no another bitch. I don't want no reader that's all in my business and trying to be me or want to be in my fucking position trying to tell me nothing. No. Somebody can tell me to my motherfucking face. And I'll pull back my energy. I already pulled it back halfway. I'll pull my energy back and it'll be a wrap. And I'll still continue to go ahead and proceed to whatever the fuck it is that I'm trying to do here. You ain't never in your life gonna catch me wanting to be a bitch. I don't care who, what position, where she at, what she look like, how her abs look, her bank account, none of that shit. You ain't never gonna catch me wanting to be nobody else. If I had an opportunity to change or do something like that, okay, I might want to, I might do something or whatever. But I have to be, I got to know what's in the small print. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, nah, you ain't never. It's always been this energy, like I said, especially when it comes to this moment, this fucking moment, where no matter what somebody's trying to say, soulfully, what the inside of me is a focal point for a motherfucker. You understand? For some people, possibly in high places and low. All right. So it ain't never gonna be that. I honor, and that's what I said. It's about when it comes to X and Malcolm and Martin Luther King and all them. I really rock with them because of the things that happened to them right before they died. Other people got it. They talk about the fucking what's the speech? With all the people, what is it? Come on, y'all. Y'all know what I'm talking about.